Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. We are going to start exercise 2A, book 2, new syllabus mathematics. Also, there is one request, please like and subscribe my channel. So, question number 1. There is a graph given, two perpendicular line, Cartesian coordinate system. So this is two lines are called Cartesian coordinate system. So write down the equation of each of the given horizontal lines. So line 1, this is horizontal line, this is line 2, horizontal line. So these two lines are parallel to the x-axis, the Cartesian coordinate system x-axis. So these two lines are parallel to x-axis. So if we see any line, I mean that any point on the line 1, it is parallel to x-axis. So its y coordinate for any point, for example, if we consider this point or this point, its x distance is 0, y is 6. X distance is x is 1, x coordinate 1, and y coordinate is 6. And for this point, x coordinate is 3 and y is 6. So for any point on the line, the y coordinate will be constant, same, means 6 at this, for this line. So equation of line 1, equation of line 1 which is parallel to x-axis, line 1, that is equal to y equal to 6. Y equal to 6. If we see x-axis, what is the equation of x-axis? For x-axis, y equal to 0, and for this line, this is y equal to 6, because it is a 6 unit away from the horizontal line. And if we see line 2, line 2 is 2 units below the x-axis, so its equation will be y equal to minus 2. So equation of line 2, that is equal to y equal to minus 2. And as already explained, that equation of x-axis y equal to 0. So for x-axis or any line parallel to x-axis, its equation will be in y, as we can see y equal to 6, y equal to minus 2. If there is a one line here, it at 2, it will be y equal to 2, y equal to 4, like this. So horizontal lines, for horizontal lines, the equation will be in y. So this was the part A, write on the equation of each of the horizontal line. Now part B is, on graph, draw each of the lines with the following: y equal to minus 3, y equal to minus 3. So this will be y equal to minus 3 at this point. If we draw the horizontal line here, this will be the y equal to minus 3, and y equal to 3.5. Y equal to 3, because y is positive, it will be above the x-axis. Here the y was negative, so that is why we should draw here at minus 3. And now y equal to 3.5, this is 3, and in the middle point, that is half. So we will draw the equation horizontally between 3 and 4, like this. So this will be the equation y equal to 3.5. Then question number 2 is, here graph is given, line 1, this line, line 2. Now here the lines are opposite to the given in question 1. Before, in question 1, lines were parallel to x-axis. Now the lines are parallel to y-axis. So for y-axis, for this line 1, its equation will be in x, like x equal to how much is away this line from the x-axis, that is equal to half, 0.5 or 1 by 2. So its equation will be x equal to 1 by 2 for line 1. Question number 2, equation of line 1, that is x equal to 1 by 2, and equation of line 2, equation of line 2, that is equal to x equal to this is minus 2, x equal to minus 2. So x equal to minus 2. So you can see that the any line parallel to y-axis, its equation will be in x, which is opposite to the given in the question 1. So next is the part B of question 2. On the graph, draw each of the lines with the following: x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 will be line just like this one, but here from the 1. So just draw line in at this. So this will be x equal to 1, and x equal to minus 2 and half. Minus 2 is this one, and half is the midpoint of this one. So take midpoint and draw the line parallel to y-axis. So this will be x minus 2 and half. Question number 3 is sketch the graph of each of the following functions. So you can see equations. These are linear equations, all in x and y in single degree. So these are linear equation, and you know the standard equation of the straight line, which is y equal to mx plus c. So before we start question number 3, just recall that equation of straight line is y equal to mx plus c, where m is gradient of the line, and c is this is y-intercept. And there is one more form. We can write this equation in one other form, which is ax plus by equal to k. For example, here we have equation 3x plus 2y equal to 3. So here you can compare. This is constant number b is 2, k equal to 3. So this is another form of equation of straight line or linear equation. So just keep in mind that there are two forms right now. Till now we studied two forms of the equation of straight line. So there is no much difference. We can convert this equation if we want. We can convert this equation to first one. How we can see here that by equal to minus ax plus k, and dividing by b both sides. So this will be y equal to minus a by b x plus k by b. So here if we compare with the standard equation, m slope is minus a by b, and c, which is y-intercept, that is equal to k by b. So just keep in mind that like this is equation of straight line. This is also another form of equation of a straight line. So now we start question number 3. Sketch the graph of each of the following functions. So question 3, y equal to y minus 2x equal to minus 1, and y will be equal to 2x minus 1. So this is the in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Here m is gradient, that is 2, and k equal to minus 1, which is y-intercept. So as in question 1 we saw that y equal to minus 3, this is also equation of a line, straight line, but this is there is no x term here in this equation of line. This is also equation of line. Here only one term y, there is no x. Here is x but missing y, there is no y, but this is also equation of straight line. But these lines in which for example here x is missing, this is parallel to x-axis, this line is parallel to x-axis, and the lines in which y is missing, these are parallel to y-axis. So these are also equation of straight line. Before we studied y equal to mx plus c, that is also equation of straight line. So these equation containing x and y, these are also equation of straight line. But what is difference between this equation of straight line and this one or this one? The difference is here we find both the values, both variables x and y, but here only x. So where you find the y and x or y like this, the two variables, that lines actually it is not it neither will be in the along the y-axis, parallel to y-axis or parallel to x-axis. This line will intersect, it will be like this, it will intersect x-axis as well as y-axis at some points. So it means for example just if we see the, let me show you. So for example there is a one, this graph, this one. So it is, this line is intersecting the x-axis at some point and y-axis. So this is the difference, the straight line in which you find both the variable x as well as y, it means that lines are intersecting. So it means these lines will intersect x-axis and y-axis at some point. So question number 3. Let's start from the beginning, that y equal to y minus 2x equal to minus 1. Before I started writing the gradient, please forget the gradient. Now we will solve these questions in another way. And as I told that these lines will must intersect. This is suppose Cartesian coordinate system, two lines x-axis and y-axis, and if we draw line like this, so they will intersect. And if we put x equal to 0, for x equal to, put x equal to 0, if we put x equal to 0 in this equation, y minus 0 equal to minus 1, then y equal to minus 1. So one point is 0 minus 1, and if we put y equal to 0, then minus y minus 2x equal to minus 1, y 0 minus 2x minus 1. So minus 2x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 over minus, this is cancelled. So x equal to 1 by 2. So this point is 1 by 2 and 0. So we have 2 points. Whenever we have 2 points, we can easily draw the lines. For example, 0 minus 1 is where? x0, y minus 1. Suppose if we write like this, suppose minus 1 is here and 0 is x0. So for this point, 0 minus 1 is here, this point. And for 1 by 2, x is 1 by 2. For example, x is 1 by 2 here, 1 by 2 and 0. So we can draw the line from these 2 points. So actually you need to draw these 2 points on the graph paper. So part B, the equation is 3x plus 2y. So we will adopt the same method that as we took before for x equal to 0. For x equal to 0, we will first put x equal to 0. When we take the x equal to 0, it means the line will intersect the y-axis at. So when we take x equal to 0, so it means at x, what is x equal to 0? X equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis. So it means x equal to 0, it means this line will intersect y-axis at some point for which x will be 0. So there will be some value of y against x equal to 0. So we can find that what is the value of y against the x equal to 0. So if we put x equal to 0, 3 into 0 plus 2y equal to 3. So 0 plus 2y equal to 3, and y will be equal to 2y equal to 3, and y will be equal to 3 by 2, or this is equal to 1 whole 1 by 2, 1 and a half, yani 1 whole 1 by 2. And this was for x equal to 0. Now for y equal to 0, for y equal to 0, y equal to 0 is equation of x-axis. So this y equal to 0 will intersect the x-axis at some point. So let's find the point. So 3x plus 2 into 0 equal to 3, and 3x plus 0 equal to 3, 3x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 3, which is 1. So 1 and 0. So one point is 1 and 0. So and other point is, we already found other point, that was x0, and y is 3 by 2 or half. This is 1 and half or 3 by 2. So now whenever we have 2 points, because what is the I mean the definition of a straight line, if we have 2 points, we can join the 2 points and we will get the straight line. So for straight line, we got 2 points, we can draw these 2 points on the graph paper, and you can get the value. For example, if we see from on this graph paper, 0 and 3 by 2, 0 is this one, and 3 by 2, 3 by 2 is 1 and half, which is this central point on the graph paper. And 1 and 0, 1, x is 1 and y is 0, this is other point. So if we join these 2 points, we will get the I mean that 1 was 0, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 was this point, and other is 1 and 0, which is this point. So by joining these 2 points, we can get the straight line. So you need to draw the lines on the graph paper. Now part C, I solve the part D. 2.5x minus 3y equal to minus 4. So for x equal to 0, for x equal to 0, if we put x0, that will be 2.5 into 0 minus 3y equal to minus 4. So this will be 0, and minus 3y equal to minus 4, and y will be equal to minus 4 by 3, minus 3 minus cancel. So this will be 4 by 3. So this will be 1 whole 1 by 3. So 1 point is for x equal to 0, and y will be 4 by 3 or 1 whole 1 by 3. 1 point is this one, and now for y equal to 0, it means this line will intersect the x-axis at y equal to 0, y equal to 0, and 2.5x minus 3 into 0 equal to minus 4, 2.5x minus 0, so equal to minus 4, and x equal to minus 4 by 2.5. And we can simplify this one by remove decimal from here. So 5 to the 10, 5 5 the 25, x equal to minus 8 by 5. So this will be equal to minus 1 whole and 3 by 5. So point is minus 1 whole 3 by 5, and y is 0 for this point. So these are 2 points. So we need to draw on the graph to draw the line, or we can write these point in decimal points like 0, and this is 4 by 3, 4 divided by 3, that is equal to 1.33, 1.33. And for this or minus, this is minus 8 by 5, 8 by 8 divided by 5, 8 divided by 5, 1.6, this is 1.6 and 0. So we draw on the graph paper. So I draw Cartesian coordinate lines, perpendicular lines, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and 2 point I calculated 0 and 1.33. 0, what is 0? Here 0, and 1 point, y is 1.33. 1.33 is about each small square equal to 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, because there are 10 small square and there is a interval of 1. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, I mean that the small divisions are 0.1. So 1.33 is about 1.3, mean 1 this one, and 3 small square 1, 2, 3. 1 point is this one, and other is minus 1.6, minus 1.6, this is minus 1, and 0.6. Middle is 0.5, and a little ahead, that is minus and 0, y 0. So this is exactly line on the point is on the line. This was also on the y-axis, and this is on x-axis. So if we join these 2 points, this and this, so this is the equation of a straight line. This was for part D. Now part E of this question, that is 1 by 2 y plus x equal to minus 2. So now we will put the value of x equal to 0. For x equal to 0, what will be the y? X0, 1 by 2 y, this is plus 0 equal to minus 2, and 1 by 2 y equal to minus 2. Y will be equal to 2 is dividing here it will be multiplied, minus 2 into 2, that is equal to minus 4. So this point is 0 and minus 4, and for putting y equal to 0, so 1 by 2 into 0 plus x minus 2, and x, this 1 by 2 into 0, 0, and x will be equal to minus 2. So this point is minus 2 and 0. So just if we draw these 2 points on the graph paper, you will get the line, straight line. Okay, we can draw here. In the same, actually points are 0 minus 4. Now points are 0 minus 4, and the other point is we calculated minus 2 0, minus 2 and 0. So 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4 is x0 and y minus 4, minus 4 this one, and minus 2 0, minus 2 0 is this one, and by joining these 2 points we will get the straight line. So join. So this is the for part E. This line is for part E, and this was for part D. Now part F of this question, 5x minus 4y equal to 0. So here you can see constant is 0, so it means y-intercept is 0, and this line will passes through the origin. So similarly we need to follow the same pattern for x equal to 0. This will be 5 into 0 minus 4y equal to 0. So minus 4y equal to 0, and y will be equal to 0 by minus 4 equal to 0. So 0 0, this is origin, so line will pass through the origin. For y equal to 0, 5x minus 4 into 0 equal to 0, 5x equal to 0, x equal to 0. So this is also 0 0. Actually this line passing through the so for this you can actually draw any line which is passing through the origin, like this one from here to here. So this is the answer of the question. Now question number 4 is the variable x and y are connected by the equation. Some values of x and corresponding values of y are given in the table. So part 1 is find the value of p and q. So for x equal to, here we need to find the value of y or value of p for x equal to minus 5, and so this is question number 4, and equation is minus x plus 2y equal to 4, and for x equal to minus 5 for x equal to minus 5, put x minus 5 minus into minus 5 plus 2y equal to 4, minus plus 5 plus 5 plus 2y equal to 4, 2y equal to 4 minus 5, and 2y equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 1 by 2, and now other value we need to find q, for which x equal to 5, put x equal to 5 for, sorry, here actually y equal to minus 1 by 2 means, that means p equal to 1 by 2. This is p equal to minus 1 by 2, because y p belong to y values, so p equal to minus 2. For x equal to 5, when we put x equal to 5 in the equation, minus x plus 2y equal to 4, and minus 5 plus 2y equal to 4, 2y equal to 4 minus 5 minus 1, and y equal to minus 1 by 2, y equal to minus 1 by 2. So it means q is minus 1 by 2, because q actually this belong to y values. So we found the value of p and q. Sorry, here there is a mistake. This is for x equal to 5, this is minus 5, and this minus 5 will be plus here. 4 plus 5 9, this will be 9. So 9 by 2, this will be 9 by 2 plus actually, and this will be 4.5. So q is 4.5 and p is minus 1 by 2.